Hello, thank you for using the expense splitter. Today's video I want to share with you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. So first off, when you download the file, you have to enable macros. You do this by right-clicking the file, click on Properties, and in General, click on Unblock. That will allow macros to work, which are essential for this file to work. And as you open the file, you can click the Enable Content, and now macros will help. In the setup sheet, you have two buttons, Help, which brings you to this tutorial, so I'm not going to press, and Start Fresh, which asks you if you want to clear all data. I'll click No and just show you in the end. In the setup sheet, this is where you define your participants here in the list. The expenses is where you fill in the table with all the information, and the settlement will auto-refresh and show you who needs to pay who and what amount. So let's start by adding a new person. Let's call her, let's say Tim. It's a new person. Now in the expenses, let's add a date. Okay, July, description, popcorn, and immediately Tim will be in the list of who paid for this. In the amount, let's say 250, expensive popcorn. Now, split between is where you select the people. You can click on all. That's going to just create everyone on the list. You can select one person, then another, and then another. And again, you can replace with all. And if you want to remove someone, you can just click their name again. You'll notice that this calculates automatically how many people should be included and the amount per person, which is critical for the calculation. You also have this include column, which if you leave blank, it's not part of the settlement. So you see that doesn't change anything. But now if I click on yes, we should expect Tim paid 250 and only needs to pay 62.5, so he should be reimbursed. And you can see that Dave has to pay him. Okay, and I'll just make a switch and show you that if now Dave is paid, all of a sudden Dave needs to be reimbursed by Tim, and Tim has to pay Bill and Dave. So that's how you use the file. Very simple, very easy to use, very quick. I'll just show you the Start Fresh. If you click on that, it will clear all the participants and clear all the expenses, making it ready for you to start using. All right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.